yini bethunana yini ude nibhalele i-email awunandi ndidivorcile ndinabantwana abayi-6 ndiyahlupheka ndifuna umlungu bethunana bendingenathi ndithengisa belungu bendingenathi kukhona belungu abasamwe abadinga umntu yho haya ndisabaza ubuthongo bethunana ndisalalile nindifuna iplagi umlungu uze apha eSouth Africa ezele mna nandile akhona amanye amantombazana wababona ku-Instagram wawatsiba probably you were there watsiba waza kunandi mna funeke ndithini ndithi hayi kukho lo mama una uyidivosileyo unabantwana abayi-6 ufuna umlungu nemali funeke ndithini mna xa wena ububu ndimbuza uthini xa uplaga umntu ngendoda eshiye onke amantombazana yaza kuwe because clearly nifuna lo wam umlungu inoba kufuneke ndithini nabethunana ubasika lo mlungu uze eSouth Africa he spent like less than 5,000 on me excluding the phone and it's just iPhone 11 ingathi hayi ndiyazibuza uba inoba injani i-inbox kanwayi yena mntu uthayelwe ibag zoma 500,000 inoba injani inoba inyimfilile and anifuni iplagi kunwayi nifuna laa ndoda akhe because umntu anothi gqine ndoda enye nicela iplagi nineyantoni ndinendoda enye ingathi ngoku ndixele ibhegi namadoda nihambe nicela iplagi nimane niko yi-1 ibheg no niyanibona ndize nendoda enye nifuna le because yo ndidine umzimba obuhlungu andisabazi ubuthongo andisalali fowuna sad story messaging gaga sister wam guys ubandla nguye ke lo moshe eza suitcase yo hayi ke abe nasihlutha iyo yonke le nto hayi ndityhafisa guys ndiyaqala utya namhlanje oko ndingatyi niyanibona ndibhitye ndinjani nini nindiphethe kakubi nindifuna belungu andinabo iplagi ngiyacela iplagi yecoke ikhona eShoprite.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uyakhala asesile ligama lakhe kunandile loke wenda ama video atshela abantu ukuthi uyenda njani imali asho ukuthi yena ulala nemadodza lamatsali belungu ala ngangobo 60 something 80 something 70 something laphana bahlangana laphana kuTinda and then bamithe baendela benda kona bambhadala imali sometimes usend ama pictures bambhadala imali for my pictures so people were judging ugirl saying ukuthi hayibo madoda lamatsala kangaka hayibo we are selling your kuku hayibo you are selling your private parts for imali bantu njena they were dragging and judging ugirl aluka bathuka batshela tindzaba taba batshela where to get off because people were judging her. Qhamukene video ke uyasho ukuthi hayibo ukhathele mantombatana se-South Africa lokam inboxela amsendela ama message amtshela ukuthi aqela iplug emadoda ebelungu laba bamtshela ukuthi hey cela ukudivorce laba bamtshela ukuthi hey anginamali ngihluphekile ngicela ungiplug ngemlungu uthi akanayi track ebelungu siphuma nje kuye phuma nokumbangela sicefe you guys were judging her and look nembita amagama nyelo senifuna ama plug uthi plug plug indolanga nayo ngihlela ngiyamangala ukuthi hayibo the very same people who were judging the girl who were dragging the girl bambita ngemagama namhla ngiyebo labagijima abanyonyo bakuma inbox boqela ama plug. One thing about bantu batana se-South Africa ayatithanza tinda ayayithanza fast money but bathanza kwenda ngazo ukuthi abayithanzi bafuna kwendele emakhonini because basaba lihlazo uma bakhuluma ukuthi bona baphila njani nakunandilwane expose ukuthi nini busy kuma comments akhe busy kuma inbox akhe nisenda ama message nithi nifuna iplug emadoda ebelungu lanemali. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video. I'll see you on the next time. I'm signing out. Goodbye.